Hello and welcome. Myself, Mr. Bulaki Babashok, रयत शिक्षण संस्था ताबासाहेब मराठी Arts and New Commerce Science College, Rajapur. Today's lectures, we are going to discuss the topic chemical bonding. In the chapters, we have see the various types of symmetry elements and their symmetry operations. You know that the symmetry, last lectures we have see what is the symmetry or what type of symmetry which is observed in the natures as well as the various plants. Now we have see the symmetry element or what is the symmetry operations. You know that point group, the group on the basis of symmetry possessed by the molecules, they are classified into the groups. It's called as a point groups. Next terms we have see symmetry elements which are very important. The symmetry, it is defined as the geometrical identity such as line, plane or a point with respect to which one or more symmetry operations may be carried out is called as symmetry element. So symmetry element. Next point, symmetry operations. It is defined as an action which moves an object into positions indistinguishable from the original and do not necessarily identical with it. This is called as symmetry operations. Now we have see the learn in detail what is the symmetry element and what is the symmetry operations. For example, symmetry element is, for example, we have take the general examples like is a motorcycle. The motorcycle, we have fill up the petrol act as a symmetry element, and the motorcycles which is run, this is called symmetry operations. Now we have see symmetry, what is the symmetry operations and what is the symmetry elements. This is the hydrogen molecules in first configuration, and this is a principal axis. These molecules which rotate along this principal axis, and therefore this principal axis which is act as symmetry element, and then rotation of that molecules it called as symmetry operations. In these examples is here we observe that after rotation at 180 degree centigrade, what happens? HA replaced by HB and HB is replaced by HA. This after rotation we observe that what type of operation can be done? Rotation, and therefore rotation it as a operations, symmetry operations, and this principal axis called as a symmetry element. Therefore rotation of H2 molecule is called as symmetry operations, and rotation along the axis is called as a symmetry elements. But you know that symmetry elements and symmetry operations which are closely related to each other, it is defined as with respect to element and same time existence of symmetry element which can be demonstrated by showing appropriate symmetry operations. And symmetry operation is an operation with restriction or specified conditions in some geometrical manipulations on the molecule may be carried out in such a way that equivalent or indistinguishable configuration of molecule will be results. But after operation is performed, the new product configuration need not always be same or identical, but it can be better explained by taking the examples of these H2 molecules. It can be correct representations which type of the symmetry elements and which type of symmetry operations can be done. But you know that axis of symmetry and plane of symmetry or center of symmetry, which can define by the line, plane or point respectively, in order to quantify repetitive pattern and the total amount of symmetry element need can be described to generate corresponding symmetry element. And these symmetry elements we have see one by one in detail. Now the first symmetry element we have see the center of symmetry or inversion center, small I. Okay, center of symmetry, another name is a inversion center. You know that the inversion center, the terms we have see in the organic chemistry as well as inorganic chemistry. So what is the inversion center? If a molecule can be brought into equivalent configuration by changing the coordinate x, y, z of every atom, where the origin of coordinates lies at a point within the molecule into x, y, z, then the point at which origin lies is said to be center of symmetry or center of inversion. For examples, this is a trans-dichloroethylene and cis-dichloroethylene. What is the observed? Which is center of inversion and which molecules does not show center of inversion? Before we have see these examples, we see the center of symmetry to exist all the atoms in molecules except unique atoms lying at I, small I, but it occurs pairs and must diagonally place with each other. The reason is that the atom must have twins with which can be exchanged during inversion operations. Now we have see these examples: trans dichloroethylene and cis dichloroethylene. Then this trans dichloroethylene we have see, after drawing the line, add this chlorine to this chlorine and this hydrogen to this hydrogen, at a point will be reached at the center, and this point is called as center of inversion or center of symmetry in trans dichloroethylene molecules. But in cis dichloroethylene, we have seen that the such a type of center of symmetry does not see, because the two similar groups which are not trans to each other, it is a same side, and therefore by drawing these lines the molecule does not divide into equal parts or which are not indistinguishable, and therefore the cis dichloroethylene is not a center of symmetry with other chlorine atoms. Similar results would be obtained if same operation was performed with the other cis dichloroethylene. We have see the another examples of center of inversions are like this. If inversion operation carried out n times means number of times, then it can be expressed as I raised to n. For even value of n goes back to original configuration and can be written as I raised to n equal to capital E. Capital E means identity. Now we have see this example one by one. For example, a xenon tetrafluoride. This xenon tetrafluoride we have clearly shows that it has the center of symmetry, because these molecules and these molecules we can draw the line, and these fluorine and this fluorine we can draw the line. The center is reached at these molecules, and this center is called as center of inversion or center of symmetry. So these molecules will be the symmetry element is small I is the E. Next molecules is a cisplatin, and this is a transplatin. You know that cisplatin, it is a center of inversion, yes or no? And this is a transplatin, trans diamino dichloroplatinum. This cis compounds does not show the center of inversion, but in these molecules it clearly shows that it is a center of inversion, because this amino group and this ammonia group we can draw the line, and this chlorine will be draw the line, center will be reached at this point, and you know that it is a center of inversion. Similarly, it is a carbon dioxide. We can pass this axis at this carbon, and these molecules will draw the line, both having a similar point. At this point, the both atoms which are near to same distance, so it is a center of inversion, maybe center of inversion is present. Another molecule is SF6, that is a sulfur hexafluoride. It is also present the center of inversion. Another molecules like you know that very famous benzene. Benzene also a center of inversion is present, because we can draw the line at this point to this, like this, at this, at this center it will be reach. How will you draw the line? Like this. We can draw the line is here, another draw the line is here, another draw the line is here, draw the line is here, draw the line is here. So we can draw the lines at each hydrogen to hydrogen, or this carbon to carbon. The center it will be reached. For example, we can draw the line is this side, the bisect the molecules in this side and this side, which are mirror image of each other, and therefore these molecules which are center of inversion is present, and therefore molecule it will be center of symmetry. Okay, thank you.